Welcome to I Love Cooking. Today we are making this delicious red peas soup. First, we're gonna add some peas in a plate, pour some water on it and let it soak overnight. Now you're gonna pour them in the pot, add some water. You're also gonna add some garlic and you're gonna cover that and let them cook until the peas is softened. Yes, we gotta check the peas to make sure it's cooked. And then after that, we'll go ahead and add the pumpkin in the pot. We're gonna add some yellow yam as well. Some carrots. We have some chopped onion and thyme. And here is the magic, the coconut milk. Don't forget the scotch bonnet pepper. There's no soup without scotch bonnet. And now we're gonna add the dumplings. Me love my dumplings. I don't know about you, but I love my dumplings. Yeah. Now you're gonna stir it to make everything comes together, right? You guys already can see the results. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna add the pumpkin noodle. We have pumpkin noodle in the house today, so we're gonna use the pumpkin noodle. Okay, and that brings a different flavor as well. And we'll do the same thing after the pumpkin noodle. We're gonna stir it to make everything dissolve in the pot. For this red pea soup recipe, I didn't choose to put any meat in it because I just want to do it like more vegan style. But you can see it looks delicious, right? And tastes good. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm hungry. And if I'm hungry, I'm gonna go ahead and share some food. I'm not even gonna wait for that. I'm making myself a bowl right here. The red pea soup is magic.